One of the trainings na ginagawa ng mga dancers is magpa-kondisyon talaga ng katawan.
Okay.
Feeling ko before natin mag-run and after natin mag-run, I think we need to do this. Siguro burpees.
Okay.
And then high knees for now.
Okay.
And then oorasan ko lang kayo.
Okay, go.
Ready? Let's go! Let's go! Okay.
Talon?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
High knees.
High knees.
Yo! Kamusta? Tagal-tagal din yun ah.
Sakit ko.
Kailang?
Mainit.
Yes.
Yeah, mainit sa
Kasi-
likod.
Mainit yan. Kasi lalo na dancehall, laging grounded dapat. So, ito yung unang-unang mababurn sa inyo. So, kailangan sobra siyang nasa kondisyon.
Okay.
Saka yung stamina. So,
Yeah.
importante pa rin ang conditioning sa atin as dancers. Ready for full out?
Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go.